Hey, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. The one thing I really wanted to cover with you today was, what's an ME? A medical expert. It's pretty darn simple and straightforward. Most of the time, the administrative law judges will only require a vocational expert at the actual hearing. However, they may sometimes also request that basically there's an individual called a medical expert there. Who's a medical expert? Well, usually they're a doctor, most of the time a specialist in their particular genre of medicine. And what they do is they go ahead and offer expert testimony relevant to whether or not the individual is actually disabled. So what I've found is that, when they bring in these medical experts, these guys are like the most incredibly, ridiculously, they've written, 18 books, and they've gone to 13 universities, and they've given seminars on 42 topics at every hotel in America. It's like counselor, do you object to the qualifications of the medical expert? How could I? I'm pretty sure he wrote the book that everybody studies. So you run into that. But basically, a medical expert is the individual who is there to give medical testimony as to whether or not the claimant is likely disabled. You don't see them a lot. But when they do pop in, they usually hire the Social Security Administration. Remember, they're the ones who pay for the MEs and the VEs and even the clerks. They usually, hire like the ultimate doctor. Harvard and Yale and 3284 blah 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 seminars and papers and they hire the most prestigious of yada yada. And the bottom line is, honestly, it kind of helps sometimes too, because when you're in there and they start to go into something about, yes, okay, they likely meet it here, but they don't likely meet it here or whatever. Usually these guys, from what I've found, haven't been super duper biased at the trial, because they know an attorney sitting across from them who's ready to go ahead and be aggressive. Why? Because that's our job. We're there to make sure that our claimant is zealously represented before the Social Security Administration. Remember, the only person in that room, who the claimant is paying for to be there, so long as they win, is the attorney. Everybody else is paid for by the Social Security Administration of the federal government. Just keep that in mind. Alright? My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. You have an absolutely wonderful, stupendous day. If you have a unique question for a unique claim, give me a call. If not, that's fine. But remember, by the time you watch this video, the information may be old hat. So if you want to get the up-to-date stuff, give me a call. I'll walk you through it. Alright? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.